Revolved side angle can be tricky when you're working on your twist. Here's some modifications to make it more accessible.
If your side angle looks like this and feels a little bit wobbly, where your back is a little bit rounded, and if you have hands in prayer, they don't quite reach to your chest, then you might want to try some of these modifications. Lower down the back knee, find a low lunge. Be sure the chest and the hips are square to the front. Plant the opposite hand and then raise the other. Keep that arm aligned with the chest. The next modification is to raise the back knee and do the same. Be sure that the hips are square to the mat. Third option, inhale, raise to high lunge. Bring hands to prayer. Take the elbow to the opposite knee. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, twist. If the thumbs reach the sternum, then you can do the advanced modification where you lower the hand down on the opposite side. Otherwise, stay here in prayer twist. Whichever version you choose, be sure that both legs are pulling towards each other. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more.